Rule 94 of our rules of procedure provides for declaration of interest. What we saw, Right Honourable Speaker, on the national broadcaster and elsewhere were remarks made by yourself, Right Honourable Speaker, showing that you seemed to have a particular interest in the coffee bill. You were exchanging words with, having a chat with the government chief whip, and you asked him if he does have the numbers. Right Honourable Speaker, that was to show that you had interest in this matter. I am on procedure. Right Honourable Speaker,
there's an order.
Madam Speaker, our rules, and he is a lawyer, procedure takes precedence to point of order. Okay. So let me raise my point of procedure, which you're going to rule on. The Honourable Fox Odoi is a lawyer in town. I want to believe he has taken time to read the rules.
Your procedure matter?
And that's what I was raising before I was rudely interrupted by a fellow lawyer who I expect to know the rules and even guide other members. Honourable Speaker, the matter of conflict of interest is a very critical one. As far as I am concerned, based on that, your conduct, Right Honourable Speaker, I think you have an interest in this matter, and maybe you should have declared that interest and perhaps even recused yourself, excuse yourself from that matter, Honourable Speaker. The second and final issue that I'm raising is from our Constitution. Article 21 of our Constitution talks about equality and freedom from discrimination. And I want to quote 21.2. Without prejudice to clause 1 of this article, a person shall not be discriminated against on the ground of sex, race, color, ethnic origin, tribe, birth, creed or religion, social or economic standing, political opinion or disability. Honourable Speaker, we did see you make remarks that seemed to prejudice a particular tribe. What we saw you say was, let's make sure these Baganda don't get the numbers. As we have said, this is not a matter of Buganda. Coffee is grown in different parts of the country. So I was very disappointed to see my leader, my speaker, make those remarks as if this is a battle against Buganda. And maybe government needs to clarify in bringing this bill, are you targeting Buganda and Baganda? I don't know. So, Honourable Speaker, I brought your attention to our laws, the Constitution, our rules of procedure regarding conflict of interest, which would see you decently recuse and excuse yourself from presiding over this matter, but also the tribal sentiments, Right Honourable Speaker, that we did hear you make, that have got to be addressed by yourself, perhaps beginning with an apology, and then we see how we take things from there. Thank you, Right Honourable Speaker. And I thank the Honourable colleagues for following the issues that I've raised very attentively. Thank you.
Right, awo wenyine tugenda okutandikira nga Right Honourable Speaker Anita Amongo gamyuse nga atunula bijagedde nga enkoke ebiikira ew'amaguja omukwano gwange ali yampuliriza. Order zaade zifuuse order mu parliament eyo byabaddewo before nga media tennaba kubanga esindikibwa wabweru njagadde okuleetera byewasubiddwa kakati yejjoole ssenyonyi ng'agamba nti biiru eno ey'emmwanyi buli kimu ekyabaddewo n'okugiyisa byabadde bifu olw'ensonga nti oba otunudde ku byabadde mu parliament n'ensonga gye yaraisinze matters zonna eziri concerned ne amendment biiru eyo eraga nti Speaker Anita Amongo okuva lwe yayogera ekigambo ekirimu nga kyekuusa ku discrimination eya tribe emu kiraga nti no yalina mu personal interest mu biiru eno ey'emmwanyi era y'ensonga lwaki abadde akola bukubirire okulaba nga biiru eno eyisibwa kirabika nti yalina mu personal interest kubanga yawulikibwa era yalabikibwako ng'akuba kiraaka akaama ng'amugamba kakasa nti nno the Bagandas don't get the numbers kitegeeza nti nno yalina mu personal interest era ng'agamba biiru eyo yabadde terina kuyisibwa okusinziira ku nsonga ze ne ku mataze naawe ensonga endala nage okusinziira ku constitution ya Uganda mu rule article 21 eraga nti nno ekintu kyonna kasita kibeeramu discrimination n'okwawula mu kkala ne mu tribe kiba tekikkirizibwa, kitegeeza kiba tekisobola kuyitibwa okusinziira ku ssemateeka waffe owa Uganda. Kitegeeza etteeka ly'emmwanyi lyayisiddwa mu bukyamu okusinziira ku point Joel Ssenyonyi yayisiza, kitegeeza baaliyisiza mu bukyamu. Kutegeeza nti nno genda mu maaso go subscribing, likinga, commentinga, sharinga. Towerabira kujja mu comment section otangaaze bannayuganda golowooza Anita Amongo ono ali emabega w'emmwanyi ayinamu personal interest mu mmwanyi mu biiro eno ey'emmwanyi, waaki yakangabiriza nnyo okulaba nga biiro eno eyisibwa? Golowooza ki ekyekwese emabega w'ekino? Jangu okomentinge, jangu otangaaze bannayuganda obalage ki okusinziira ku ndowooza yo n'okusinziira ku bintu munnange ggwe w'obiraba, kubanga tukimanyi ebintu buli muntu abiraba lulwe. Kati so jangu otangaaze bannayuganda, naye tewerabira ku subscribinga, likinga, commentinga, sharinga. Mbagala nnyo, temuva ku UG Updates TV. Tukomawo.